Hello and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Thursday, the 22nd of July 2010. After downbeat comments by the US Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke last night, spurring declines in US and in Asia overnight, the European markets opened the session today flat and have been flat pretty much most of this morning up until 9 a.m. However, in the UK, though, leading the rises were shares in Capital Group after posting a 15% rise in first half profits, with pre-tax profits coming in at £163 million. And so we've seen its share price up about 3% at 9 a.m. this morning, and that also follows analysts' upgrades by Numis and Evolutions Securities. However, conversely, leading the fallers though were shares in Autonomy, despite having posted a 7% rise in second quarter earnings, but these results were actually worse than analysts' expectations, and so we've seen its share price down about 7.5% at 9 a.m. this morning and continue to slide up down to about 10% at 10 a.m. this morning though. In terms of economic data, there's a host of data out this morning and this afternoon to whet investors' appetite. And at 9 a.m. we saw the release of the Eurozone PMI manufacturing and PMI services figures, which came in better than expected. And at 9:30 we had the UK month-on-month retail sales figures for June coming in better than expected at 0.7%. And so due to those positive figures, we've seen the European markets actually rise this morning. However, later on this afternoon at 1:30 we shall await the US weekly jobless claim figures, and at 3 p.m. we shall see the US existing home sale figures for June and also leading indicators for June, which should give us a good idea of the state of the US economy at the moment and should hopefully track Ben Bernanke's feelings of the US economy, how it is unusually uncertain at the moment. However, across the pond in the US, though, stock index futures were pointing to a higher open, tracking gains in Europe after those positive data, and the S&P was up about 1% at 10 a.m. Yesterday, though, positive results were posted by Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley, coming in better than expected, but these were countered by disappointing results from Yahoo and a few other companies. So it'll be interesting to see how the corporate earnings today pan out. Before the open, we shall have earnings from 3M, Caterpillar and Xerox, and after the close we shall have earnings from Amazon and American Express, which should be of interest. But at 10 a.m. we were calling the Dow up about 80 points at 10200.